Hello guys, I'm Aubrey, and in this video I would like to talk about health, okay, prevention. Do you know that prevention is cheaper and better than cure, right? I realized this through 9 to 9 years that I am doing every day in this mission. I'm doing mission. I go meet people every day. I talk to them online. We talk about health problems. We talk about their sickness and illnesses. They even talk about medicines. They even talk about treatment, how much they spend. Okay, some people lost their lives, although they spend so much money in the hospital and treatment and all. That is so sad. I realized that you see, it is not good. I mean, I don't say that having the HMO or health card is not okay. Okay, in the Philippines, especially in the Philippines, since our medication, hospital rather, and medicines are not free, so people here tend to have this what do you call this? They have to pay their health card so that anytime they get sick, they need to go to the doctor, to the hospital, they won't pay the whole amount. Okay, there is a certain amount that they can only pay like that, or even zero. Now, my point here, as I look at it, is that, when you are already healthy, okay, less chance that you will use this, or no chance, or rather, maybe if you are already, it's like an accident like that, or terminal, maybe you can use it. But my point here is prevention. Okay, example, this one whole set of oral live stem cells, okay, the money that you're going to spend for this whole set of therapy, instead of saving it in the bank, keeping that money in your house, okay, aside that you have your health card, okay, then this money, example, you buy the one health therapy and you take the oral live stem cells. Oral live stem cells right now is trending in the Philippines, mega trending, that even especially in the high-end or low-end people here in the Philippines, they are taking this product, those who know about this oral live stem cells. So my point here is, if we put this money, okay, to our body through taking the oral live stem cells, so since this is cell regenerating and cell repairs, okay, that's the main function or effect of this, then 6 months, okay, at least we have brand new internal organs. So if you go to the website of this oral live stem cells, you can see there it's reversing aging. So reversing aging, it means that as you take the product in this at least 6 months therapy, okay, your internal organs will become younger because it regenerates and regenerate. Then look at the kids. They have fresh internal organs. Majority of them are healthy because their internal organs are not yet used. When we are started 50s, 40s, we started to feel that some of our internal organs are not already working properly. Many of the people started their taking their maintenance even at the age of 40s, in their 40s. So it means that if they are taking the oral live stem cells for cell regeneration, cell regenerating and cell repair, then they don't need the medicine. They don't need the synthetic medicine. Now, if you know what I am talking, how much the cost of this product that I am talking, you might say that this is expensive, not for me. Now you ask yourself, is your life, is your value, life and health is cheaper compared to the amount of the product? Because if you are healthy again, you can do many things. You can still get back the money that you buy for this health product, because you will become a testimony. It is how much you put value to yourself. If you are healthy, you can enjoy healthy food. And if you're taking this product, don't think that you're invincible already, that you can eat whatever you have in mind or whatever in front of you. Of course, it goes with a healthy lifestyle. And then if you are healthy again, maybe you are already a grandmother, grandfather, you can still enjoy family quality time. Okay, quality time with your family. You can even run with your with your grandchildren, because you are healthy again. So it's how much you value to yourself, how much you love your family, because it is because if you value, okay, your family and your self, this amount of reversing aging or a life stem cell is nothing. So it is that you cannot afford, but how can you afford so that you can pay back to your body? Because our body is like car, okay? The body parts, the spare parts are already overused. And if there is something that we need to prioritize and value, is our body and our health. Okay, I hope I deliver the message clearly.